Yeah, it's about where the next goal is going to come, and you always want to be there to try and help your team. And today we started off good, but then also sloppy at times, and that's the only thing we expect. It's a new season, we're still a bit rough, but once we got into our rhythm, I thought we were brilliant at times today. It's one of those, we've got 2 goals and there's a penalty. That's a great way to finish it off. But I asked the designated penalty taker, which is Kun, and knowing him as a striker, he wants to score on the opening day. So it's his responsibility. If he wants to give it to me, I'm more than happy to take it. But he wanted to take it, and that's no problem. He scored, and that's the most important thing. Yeah, it's when you score and celebrate and then walk back to the halfway line and having that weight's a bit frustrating, but as long as the decisions are right, and that's all that we can ask for some consistency. And 5 goals and 3 points and plus a clean sheet. It's a great way to start the campaign. But it's a long season, but we're more than up for the challenge.
No lo olvides, hay muchos más videos en nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes. Suscríbete aquí.